Hello, my lovely friends! Today we're making a juicy homemade burger from scratch. Stay with me and let's build something delicious together. We need ground meat, soft burger buns, lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, a little salt, pepper, oil, and creamy sauce. Season the meat simply so the natural flavor stays rich and juicy. Gently mix until it's evenly seasoned. Shape a thick patty so it stays juicy while cooking. Medium heat cooks the burger evenly without burning. Let the first side cook slowly to seal in the juices. Flip gently and cook until fully done inside. Add cheese at the end so it melts perfectly over the burger. Resting keeps the burger juicy before assembling. Light toasting adds warmth and a soft, crisp texture. Fresh vegetables bring balance, crunch, and color. Start with sauce on the base bun for moisture and flavor. Layer the juicy patty and fresh vegetables gently. There we go! All ready for the perfect bite! Close gently so every layer stays perfect. Look at that juicy, cheesy center. Perfectly homemade. So juicy, warm, and full of flavor. Follow me for more beautiful homemade recipes, and let's keep cooking together.